Even asthmatics can and should maintain active lifestyles.
When exercising, there are some basic rules to follow that will keep you safe. First of all, avoid physical activity on days when you aren't feeling well or are already experiencing asthma symptoms. Breathe into your peak flow meter. If your peak flow is less than 80%, it's not smart to exert yourself. Begin with a slow and thorough warm-up and always end your routine by stretching. Easing into and out of these exercises helps your body adjust to the different styles of breathing required. Drink plenty of fluids. Hydration relieves bronchial irritation from dry air. You should take your asthma medication before exercising and keep your inhaler at hand. Should you have an exercise-induced asthma attack, stop immediately and use your inhaler. If you have a second attack, call it quits for the day, then check in with your doctor.